I love South Florida, and I'm staying in a paradise. From here I can access at the beach. Really easy, like private beach. Amazing. This place here where I'm staying, waterfront beach. A few walks, I'm gonna get the beach. Hey, I wanna show you this place here. Get a place like that, it's not easy at all, man. I just got some chairs here. The beach right here, right? So if I come over here, I got shower and table, chair here. If I wanna have coffee or my lunch, dinner, everything all set. Come over here. I never saw something beautiful like that. That's my office, my view, my living room, my kitchen. I got a really nice internet, a lot of channel. Before I show you everything inside here, I wanna go outside because I wanna show my backyard. Look how sick that place here. I'm at the backyard, okay? Look the decoration. Florida, California, Hawaii, Colorado, Marine, Brazilian park only. All right. Barbecue Brasilia, barbecue right here, surf stuff, chairs, table. We can have a barbecue right here. I can invite some friends, come here, have a conversation, have food, shower right here. So I want to show you all this place. You're gonna have a private tour, all right? So take a look here. I never saw something beautiful like that. I'm telling you, that's a paradise, all right? Do you know what I'm saying? And just open up here and the beach gonna go right there. It's like a privacy. I'm feeling like a single guy living in a paradise located in South Florida, right? So big backyard. That's so amazing, unbelievable. And that's my convertible Mustang. I really love him. And that's where I'm staying. So we came from there or there. We're gonna access the beach. All right. My patio right here. My bike, but let's come out. Let me show you better this place here, man. Look at that. So that's my office. All right. I set up my computer right here, but also a freezer right here. A cabinet, like a TV, a really good TV, you know, stove, microwave, my coffee machine, so sink, everything here all set only for myself. But look at the master room right here. Look at that. All right, I got 2 bedrooms right here. So this one here has TV as well and has a lot of window. You see here? Look at the view. Like literally private beach. You know what I'm saying? That's my bed. That's my room, to be honest, right? My closet is not too big, but I got a lot of stuff here and all those one here, you know. I fit something, but I live by myself. Look the bathroom. You see? Right? Yeah. And my shower right here. You just flip here. Yeah. Really handle, easy going. Let's say that has a radio right here, you know, and has Alexa. What time?
It's 11:09 a.m.
11:09 a.m. Alexa said. All right. So right there, that's my master bedroom where I stay, and right here at the back, that's the guest room. Okay. A lot of windows. Okay. Really easy to be private. Just flip it off or lift it up. I live by myself here. I got a TV here for my guest room. I don't want to rent this place here, alright? I could, but no. Eventually, a friend of mine come over here, can stay a couple of days, you know. And temporarily, I put my shoes right here. I got 6 shoes right here and 6 shoes right here, 12 total. Has one here I never used it before. I promise I'm gonna use some stuff right here. Hey, do you know what? Maybe in my guest room you can spend a couple of days, all right? Let me know if you need my help. You can be my guest, or I can find you a nice spot in South Florida for you, okay? Let me show you some outdoor activities that I really like to do, okay? Usually at the morning, I really love getting my bike and go to the ocean. And also, I love getting my convertible Mustang afternoon before sunset and explore also Florida. So basically I don't cook too much, but everything here works. Yes, I think I can prepare a salad or stuff, you know what I'm saying? How I said, I really pick about food. I don't get garbage food. The fireplace right here works as well, but we are in South Florida, we don't need too much, alright? But usually I don't get food right here. I just open the door here, so, and my patio is right here. I can have my coffee, lunch, dinner, or whatever. And let me show you this part here, right? I almost forgot. If you open up here, I got freezer. Yep, got a wine. A bottle of wine right here at my patio. And I got a stove. Everything works. Man, just show up my place here. Hey, I hope you like this video and let me know if you need my help. See you soon. Bye bye.